Why isn't Lotus Nutrients organic? Well, with a lot of styles of growing, organic can be problematic. Organic nutrients or organic growing largely relies on microbial life breaking down components to release the nutrients within them. So when you look at things like hydroponics done organically is very hard. And we as a company, since we also have superponics under our brand, family of brands, we wanted to stick with a nutrient salt like Lotus is. And we also think that in terms of getting sheer biomass and weight, that using fertilizer salts is the way to go. We do, however, like to use as natural of sources as possible for our fertilizer salts. So you'll never see any industrial waste in any of our products. So we think it's a great alternative to organic.